taught us songs of sorrow and pain, round and round the same old chain. But deep inside the pulse remains a sacred sound that can't be tamed. Rise from the sleep of the mind, bring the sound that realigns. Call the hearts that still remember the code inside the rhyme. Yeah.
Every word is a seed we sing, every tone the world we bring. The old songs kept the field in chains, now we breathe the truth again. Vibration turning dust to quiet. Shaping the fall from life today. We sing the world alive
Light from sound, matter moves when love resounds. New word rising from the tone. The field remembers we are home.
They said the end was near, but the end's just a change of year. Listen deeper beyond the fear. The song of truth is crystal clear.
Sing the code, the wave, the flame.